Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Whoop Password Reset. The Whoop Password Reset tool is a self-service password reset system that allows users to reset their own passwords without the need for administrative intervention. To install Whoop Password Reset, you will need to start by downloading the software from the official website. Once the download is complete, you can begin the installation process by running the installer and following the prompts. The first step in the installation process is to accept the terms of the license agreement. This is a standard step in most software installations and is required before you can proceed. Next, you will be asked to choose the installation location. This is where the software will be installed on your system. You can choose to install it in the default location or select a different location. After choosing the installation location, you will be asked to select the components you want to install. The Whoop Password Reset tool comes with several components, including the Password Reset Server and the Password Reset Client. Once you have selected the components, you can proceed with the installation. The installation process may take a few minutes to complete depending on the speed of your system. When the installation is complete, you will need to configure the Password Reset tool. This involves setting up the Password Reset Server and configuring the Password Reset Policy. The Password Reset Policy determines the rules for password resets, such as the number of attempts allowed and the password complexity requirements. To configure the Password Reset Server, you will need to specify the server name and the port number. You will also need to configure the authentication settings, such as the username and password for the server. After configuring the Password Reset Server, you can proceed to configure the Password Reset Client. The Password Reset Client is the component that users will use to reset their passwords. To configure the Password Reset Client, you will need to specify the server name and the port number. You will also need to configure the user interface settings, such as the language and the theme. Finally, you can test the Password Reset tool to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by attempting to reset a password using the Password Reset Client. In conclusion, installing the Whoop Password Reset tool is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can install and configure the Password Reset tool and provide your users with a convenient and secure way to reset their passwords. Best practices for installing the Whoop Password Reset tool include ensuring the server is secure and configuring the Password Reset Policy to meet your organization's security requirements. Additionally, it is recommended to test the Password Reset tool thoroughly to ensure it is working correctly. By following these best practices, you can ensure the Whoop Password Reset tool is installed and configured correctly and is providing a secure and convenient way for your users to reset their passwords.